Good morning, children. Children, as we are dealing with chapter number 4, the real companions, and this is the lecture number 2. Already the chapter we have started last week, and today we are going to discuss the chapter from the points where they have given the 8 characteristics of a true friend. Before that, I would like to just recap that what we had discussed in the previous chapter. So in the previous lecture, what we have discussed that the friend, what is a good friend and which type of friend we should have. The friends both should respect each other, both should have the good feelings for each other, both should be affectionate, both should be loyal, and both should be truthful to each other. So the a good friend is always with us, whether we are in a good time or whether we are suffering from some bad situations. A true friend is always with us. He never leaves us, and he is just like a sunshine in our lives. A good friend is like a person. If we have some problems, so we should immediately move to that friend, and the friend should be like that whatever the solution friend is giving us, he always supports us. So now today's chapter we are going to deal with some of the characteristics of a good friend. So the first character of the good friend, it's given in your book, page number 23. So a good friend, friends listen. Friend listens means whatever you say, whatever you narrate, whether that is good or whether that is your bad experience, good friends always listen to you. They do not interrupt. When you complete your story, they give suggestions. They always give you proper opinion. Means a good friend, he is not like that when you are happy, when you are sharing good experiences, he is taking interest, and when you are sharing bad experiences, he is not listening to you. A good friend is always with you, whether you are in a good situation, whether you are in a bad situation, but whatever you are narrating with that friend, the good friend always listens you. And at the end, when you complete your story, good friend always give you suggestions. Good friend always give you proper opinion. Opinion means the things what you should do during that time. So the good friend always guides you, and he always guides you in a right direction. The opinion that good friend will going to give you, that will the opinion will be like that opinion will not create any trouble for you in your future. So good friend always guides us. The second characteristics of a good friend is a friends accept you. Friend accept you means friends accept you as you are. They do not try to change you. They just accept you. They are not concerned whether you are having a good day or a bad day, whether you are decent or indecent, whether you are rich or poor, whether you are fashionable or simple, and whether you are organized or disorganized. Real friend look beyond all these things. The meaning of this second point is that a friend always accepts you in as you are. A good friend never want to make a change in you. If you are decent, then the good friend is going to accept you. If you are decent, he may guide you, but as you are, he is going to accept you. If you are rich, then also the friend accept you. If you are poor, then also he accepts you, because he is interested in your friendship, in your company. He is not interested in your way of living, whether you are fashionable or simple, whether you are organized or disorganized. Whatever you are, he enjoys the company. So that is a good friend. Good friend do not compel. Friends do not compel. Real friends do not compel you to do anything, means force you to do anything. They never force you to do anything. They give her their suggestions and inform you about the right and wrong. If you are going to do something, The good friend is always going to inform you about the right and about the wrong. Whatever you are doing, he will not force you that you have to do that thing. The good friend is always going to inform you that what is right, what is wrong. Good friend is always with you. The good friend is always with you in your every situation. The good friend is always with you in whether you are facing some problem. He will never compel you that what your decision should be. He will always give you the suggestion what is right and what is wrong. So he will not compel you, but he will guide you, and the decision should be yours. Whatever you want to do, the decision should be yours. So good friends do not compel. Fourth point is friends enjoy with each other. Friends laugh together, share their stories, their experiences, do things together, and like to spend time together. With each other, they enjoy themselves and never feel bored. When you are with a real friend, your time passes quickly. The real friend enjoys with each other. Friends, good friends, when we are with our good friends, we share our stories, we share our experiences. Now you are in smaller classes. As you will grow, maybe your friends, they will depart, they will go to other institution for studies. And suppose after a long time you are going to meet your friend. If that person is your good friend, definitely he will enjoy the company. So, and we remember our good friends. If they are not with us for a long time, we are always in their contact. We talk to them, we share the stories with them. So, we enjoy with them, we laugh together, we share stories, we share experiences, and we like to spend time with each other. So, a real friend, when we are with our real friend, our time passes quickly. Number 5 point is friends never abuse you. Friends never be brittle, swear or yell at you. Friends discuss and work through difficult issues rather than fighting over them. Friends never abuse you with others or quarrel with each other. Abuse means saying something wrong. So the good friend never says anything wrong about you. They will never say any wrong thing about you to others. Instead of that, instead of fighting with you, instead of saying something wrong about you, they always discuss and work through difficult issue. For future plannings, what we are going to do, in which institute we are going to study, how we are going to study. So they are going to discuss about those things. They will not quarrel with each other. If suppose some friend by mistake says something wrong to the friend, the good friend never react. They do not quarrel. They solve every issue among themselves. And that is why the friendship becomes more strong. So friends never abuse, good friend never abuse you. Number 6 point is friends understand. Friend understand means friends understand the friendship in is a two-way street. Friends listen to each other, share ideas and stories, and solve the problems together. This relationship is not one-sided. They both give and take. When one friend has bad day, the other helps him because he knows when he will have a bad day, his friend will be there to help him. Friendship is a two-way street. Two-way street means if your friend is guiding you, he is helping you in your difficult time. So what's your duty? Your duty is also do the same thing. When your friend is in difficult time, you are also going to guide him. You are also going to help him. So it is just like a give and take process. If both the friends, they are helping each other, their difficult time, even in their good time, they are supporting each other. So it is like a two-way street. If you are helping your friend, definitely your friend is going to help you. If you are going to guide your friend in a proper direction, definitely your friend is also going to guide you in a proper direction. So that is why it is called as a two-way street. When your friend is listening you, sharing ideas with you, sharing stories and solving the problems in his difficult time, your duty is also to guide your friend. To guide your friend to solve the problem of your friend. Suppose your friend is having the bad day and you have helped him. So you are also expecting the same thing, that your friend is going to help you when in future, suppose if you have some bad time. So it is just like a two-way street. Number 7, friends start from where they had left. Sometimes real friends do not speak for a long time, but when they do, it seems like yesterday. It doesn't matter who called last or first. They are just glad to hear from each other. Time and distance cannot separate two friends. So friends start from where they are left. Now sometimes it happens, children, that because of suppose two friends are there and both of they are not living together. Now they are just suppose the father get transferred there and now they are living in a different places. And after some time the father get transferred to the same place. Now they have come to the same place. So when they are going to meet each other after a long period of time, so they will start from where they left, because they have the sweet memories with each other. So when they are meeting after a long time, it seems that it was yesterday. Yes, yesterday means what we had done yesterday, the same we are going to start from today. It doesn't matter who called last or first. And second thing is that it happens in your age also, that the friends, sometimes the real friends, they stop speaking to each other. They have some misunderstanding and they stop speaking to each other. But after a long time, when your friend come to you and he is trying to speak to you, you can't stop you. You will not start fighting with that you have stopped talking to me or I have stopped talking to you. It doesn't matter. But you will start from where you last. You will not start from where you last, or who was the first who has stopped talking and who has started. I am taking the initiative to start talking to you. The good friends, they never quarrel for such type of things. So whenever the time and distance cannot separate two friends, if the friend is true friend, so this type of little misunderstandings or the distance or the time cannot separate a true friend. True friends are always with us lifelong. They are going to be with us in every situation of life. Number 8 is, friends are there for you. Friends are always there for you, whether you are happy or sad, excited or exhausted, in good times or bad times, etc. If you need to talk, they will listen to you, regardless of how long you talk and what time of the day it is. If you are silent, they will sit next to you until you are ready to speak. Whether they hold you when you cry or go for a walk with you, they are always with you. So friends are there for you means, if you have a good friend and you want to talk to that friend any time. So good friends, they are always with you. If you are going to call them in the night, in the evening, if they are busy, then also they have time for you. They spend the time with you. They are ready to listen to you. And suppose you are upset and you are silent, you are not talking to anyone. So good friends, they always come to you. They will listen to your problem and until you will ready to talk. Still that time they are with you, and after, when your mood will be refreshed, then they are going to to do their work. So whenever the good friend is with you, they always with you. They always stand with you. They hold you. When you cry or go for a walk with you, they are always with you. They are going for a walk with you means how long you are going to talk with them, how long you are going to tell your same story again and again to their friend. The good friend is always in the habit of listening. So children, these are the 8 points. So just read these points properly. So can you guess how many above characteristics are present in you? This is your work. Just guess. If you are a friend of someone, so how many good characteristics are present in you? Do you value these qualities and search for them in your true friend? So true friends help you to become a good person and a good citizen of country. So pray to God for a good friend, and when you will get one, thank God for it. So children, because you also want to become a good friend and you also want a good friend, so try to inculcate good habits in you and just try to see how many good habits you are having. So good friend, if you are having a good friend, so you will be a luckiest person, because true friends, they will help you to make a good person as well as the good citizen of country. So always pray to God to give you a good friend, and if you got a good friend, always thank God for your friend, because real companions, true companions, if we are getting in life, so we are the luckiest person on the earth. So this is all about children. Next lecture we are going to take about the true friendship. Story 1 story is there, true friendship. So this is all for today. Thank you children.